Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. So, we're diving into a topic today that is highly requested, yet wildly misunderstood. We're talking about male hypersensitivity and early discharge. Now, I know this can be a sensitive subject, but we're going to break this down entirely from an objective medical perspective. We're tossing out all that unnecessary societal stigma. This isn't about judgment, okay? It's just about understanding the nuts and bolts of how the human body actually works, and more importantly, how to fix things when they just kind of get out of sync. Take a look at this direct quote for a second. "I can't control myself. My discharge happens very early. What should I do?" Honestly, this exact phrasing is literally a daily plea found in the inboxes of the medical professionals we source this material from. Guys are writing in, clearly frustrated and distressed, and that's not even mentioning the negative toll it takes on their partners. Putting this quote right up front shows just how relatable and incredibly common this struggle really is. If you're dealing with this right now, consider the silence broken. You are absolutely not alone here.
But if it's really that common, why is it kept so hidden? Well, men often refuse to talk about this openly because they're terrified their masculinity, their mardangi, is going to be called into question. But let's look at the medical reality. Medically speaking, this is simply a bodily function experiencing a temporary, totally solvable dysfunction. That's it. Hiding behind the fear of losing your man card actually causes immense real-world damage. Sweeping this solvable medical issue under the rug often leads to massive relationship breakdowns, serious frustration for partners, and honestly, it can even become the root cause of extramarital affairs simply because the problem is ignored and festers over time.
And you know what? A huge chunk of the anxiety surrounding this comes from simply not knowing what's considered biologically normal. Clinically speaking, a normal time frame actually starts around 2 to 3 minutes, and it can stretch up to 10 or 15. The strict medical definition of early discharge is really only when things end under that 1.5 to 2 minute mark. Knowing this actual baseline completely shatters those unrealistic expectations fueled by internet myths. Now you know exactly what constitutes a genuine medical early discharge and what's just normal. All right, let's move into section 1 and look at the root causes: the chemical, the physical, and the psychological. So what's really fascinating here is that this is a multifaceted issue. It is absolutely not a personal failure. It's actually driven by 4 distinct root causes. First up, we've got a chemical factor, a drop in serotonin levels. When your serotonin dips too low, this early release problem often kicks in. Second is physical hypersensitivity. The body is simply way too sensitive, triggering an immediate peak. Third, and this one is super interesting, is biological conditioning. Basically, excessive solitary practice over the years often trains the body to run on a strict 1, 2, or 3 minute timer. So when a guy's finally intimate with a partner, his body frustratingly sticks to that rapid, pre-conditioned loop. And finally, psychological factors. Pure nervousness and insecurity. Constantly stressing over, am I going to be able to do this? Causes so much performance anxiety that some men just totally lose their confidence and avoid physical intimacy altogether. Okay, moving right along to section 2, natural solutions, specifically training the body. The incredible news here is that you can actually retrain your body's response and solve this early peak problem over time just by using specific natural physical exercises. We're talking about the stop and start technique, the squeeze technique, and pelvic or Kegel exercises. By actively practicing these, you're essentially rewiring that biological timer we were just talking about. Now, sure, it takes some patience and consistency, but these are proven, completely natural ways to decrease that hypersensitivity, get your control back, and naturally rebuild your confidence from the ground up. Next up, let's look at section 3, herbal and medical solutions. When we talk about topical massage creams, the absolutely crucial point is understanding exactly what you're putting on your body. Take a look at L-arginine, for example. It specifically goes to work repairing blood vessels and fixing erection issues. Then we have clove oil, or long. This is the absolute heavy hitter for knocking down that intense hypersensitivity and actually delaying the discharge, which significantly bumps up your time. And finally, aloe vera. This acts as a really soothing moisturizer and a great antifungal agent. So it's a very targeted medical approach that utilizes some incredibly powerful natural elements. Now, beyond the topical stuff, there are also internal supplements, and the source highlights a specific product called Mr. Ashwagandha Pro. This one combines ashwagandha and shilajit, but why does that matter for what we're talking about? Well, remember earlier when we looked at those root causes? A massive piece of this puzzle is psychological. This specific herbal combination works internally to dramatically crash your stress levels and ease that nagging insecurity. By attacking that deep-seated performance anxiety and just letting your nervous system chill out, it naturally boosts your overall sexual health right from the inside out. And hey, here's a highly practical detail for you. If you're actually interested in trying out that Ashwagandha Pro supplement, you can snag a full 50% discount on your order. You can grab that just by calling the phone number provided or by checking out the link in the description. It's a really solid, practical step that makes accessing a potential solution way more affordable for anyone who needs it. Which brings us to a pretty pivotal final question. Are you going to continue to hide from the problem or take these natural medical steps toward a healthier relationship and sex life? Listen, early discharge is absolutely not a measure of your masculinity or your worth as a partner. It is just a perfectly common biological dysfunction with clear chemical, physical, and psychological roots. Please stop letting relationships break down over a problem that is completely solvable. Take the knowledge we've unpacked today, put those physical techniques to work, explore the medical solutions, and just take action. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and as always, keep seeking out the facts.